The biggest problem I've had with the two-cycle gas-powered has been the ethanol and the carburetors. We seem to go through 1 or 2 carburetors per year.
I would much rather be switching batteries and using this battery-operated equipment than mixing the fuel, pouring the fuel, spilling the fuel, smelling the fuel.
These tools enable me to do my job faster because it's instant start every time.
But the quietness of them allows us to sneak in maybe a little bit earlier than we would and not wake clients on an early morning job.
Gas versus the battery, no difference whatsoever. If anything, the DEWALT equipment is better.
The hedge trimmers and the blower have all the features that a landscaper would need. They basically replace gas for me.
I'm already thinking about selling the gas tools that I have.